today, another vlog na naman. So, if you're new here sa channel ko, I'm Margie and we're a Filipino family immigrant dito sa California. And yeah, so today magpe-prepare lang ako ng breakfast. So, if you're scrolling dito sa YouTube or sa page ko sa YouTube, makikita nyo na yung vlog ko is more about my lifestyle dito sa California, about yung business ko sa Pinas, and sometimes travel, ganyan. And yan, usually umaalis kasi kami every weekend or at least 3 times a week. So, na-explore din namin yung San Diego kahit papano. But mostly, I'm at home. Because I'm a stay-at-home mom. And, yeah. So, kahapon nagluto ako ng spaghetti. Medyo ano lang yung kulay niya. Kumbaga hindi siya bright red yung kulay niya. Kasi niligyan ko to ng Nestle cream. And we're gonna serve it for breakfast today.
Mommy, when I
And
say
also
he's
bread.
gonna change later, he says, yes, yes.
Oh. Did she say that she's hungry na? Yung fish mo?
But he said when I say the fishy is gonna change later, he says, yes, yes.
Yes. So, mag-toast lang tayo ng bread and then reheat natin yung pasta for breakfast. So, as I was saying sa last vlog, yun nga, diba, hindi matutuloy yung supposedly na uwi namin talaga this June sana. Uwi kami sana itong June. Actually, dapat by this time nasa Pinas na kami. Kaso, hindi siya natuloy because some things happen and ayan, change of plans. So, I think baka uwi na lang tayo ng end of this year or baka next year na. So, depende pa lahat yan. Pero, yeah, that's the plan. And, ang bango ng spaghetti. Okay, so this is her pasta. Yan yung breakfast ni Chloe. Usok pa.
Okay?
It tastes good and it smells so good. And Filipino style to. So, nasa sweet side siya. Tikman natin siya. Ooh, cheers. Sarap. And I have the drinks here. So let's eat brunch.
And mommy got a bobo.
Is it hot? Is it warm?
Where's mine?
This is yours. Is it warm?
It is.
Okay, patayin lang natin yung ilaw dito para tipid. Pag kami lang dalawa ni Chloe dito, usually di na kami nag-iilaw. Kasi maliwanag din naman yung bahay. Ang daming bintana. Tapos ito pa. Ang laki niya. So, yan. So, let's eat na. Okay, we're done eating breakfast. And nag-video lang kami ni Chloe for TikTok.
And I made some squishy.
Yeah, we made some squishy.
Yeah, I made a pink
Show
one
it to
and
them.
blue one. And I made pink one and blue one.
Ooh, it looks good. Like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Of course. We have to make dinner. So, magmamarinate lang tayo na pang dinner. And pork lang to. Imamarinate ko lang siya sa calamansi extract and toyo and pepper. And then, i-fry natin siya later.
And I'm trying to go for the ultimate clean girl look. So there is a little adjusting to that because I've always gotten used to myself hiding every imperfect little dark spots, the acne on my chin, and not try so hard to cover it because it does get a little cakey looking, especially right now being in Guangzhou where the humidity. It's like I have fresh Botox on my forehead because it just looks so tight and oily, but I haven't even gotten Botox in over a year now, I think, or maybe. Laneige powder. Also want to say brush. Mattify the areas that are just really shiny. It's just an oily, oily mess. This is from Hologram. The 01
What's that?
Warm Tone. This side. And I
Really?
just draw a little bit of a line right here
Okay,
to
thank
create
you so
the
much.
shadow.
That is so sweet.
And then I take the other side and I'll
This one is for fathers.
and it balances.
Okay, tingnan nyo naman. Ang dami nating... Hey! What did you do? Ang dami nating lilinisin. But of course, yung laundry muna ang unahin natin. Ayan, maglaba tayo. Oh, be careful. You're gonna... Did you hit your head here? You did? Does it hurt?
Another.
Okay. Ayan. Ito yung aming bagong setup dito sa bahay na need na nating i-decorate. So, baka this weekend, bumili kami ng mga pang-decorate dyan. Ito pa lang yung nabili namin. Carpet, mirror, and yung table. Ang ganda niya. Para sa akin lang ha. Easy lang siya to decorate. Para sa iba-ibang season. Itong basket na to, puro lang to comforter. So, every 2 weeks ako naglalaban ng mga comforter namin. Hindi ko alam kung masyado bang madalas yun or tama lang yun. Kayo ba tuwing kailan kayo naglalaban ng comforter niyo? Once a month ba? Or parang ba ako na kung once a month? Or depende siguro sa paggamit. Hindi kasi kami nag-AC, so ayan. Feeling ko gusto ko siyang laban every 2 weeks. Kasi, wala. Feeling ko malamig din kasi dito sa amin, kaya hindi naman need mag-AC. Okay. Let's do the laundry. So, pagka ganitong comforter yung lalaban, marami akong ilalagay na sabon kasi gusto kong maamoy yung sabon. Kumbaga mabango siya. Alam niyo, sobrang init. Ramdam na ramdam ko na talaga yung summer. Tingnan niyo naman sa labas. Ang tarik ng araw. Grabe, sobrang init. Sobrang init. Ayan, natutulog yung anak ko pero nakatapat sa kanya tong fan. Okay naman siya, hindi siya pinagpapawisan. Pero ako, init na init ako kasi ang init na nga, nag-decide pa ako mag-prito ngayong oras na to na dinner namin. So, ito. Nag-prito pa talaga ng gantong oras ng init. Nagsisinga ako, sana mamaya ako na lang pala ito pinrito ng hapon para hindi na mainit. Ayan siya, oh. And then, ito yung luto na. Nakabukas naman yung exhaust natin, pero ang init pa din. So, I guess, summer na talaga. Kailangan na natin mag-swimming, ganyan. At ang init-init na talaga. At inom kayo lagi ng maraming tubig. Baka ma-dehydrate kayo. Mahirap na. Delikado yung ma-dehydrate. Anyway, ayun na nga. Naisip ko malapit na pala yung Father's Day. So, baka mamaya, kung hindi mainit ha, kung hindi mainit mamaya, baka umalis kami ni Chloe at magpunta sa Target para bumili ng Father's Day gift. Pero kung mainit, ipagpapabukas na lang natin. Because girl, hindi ko kayang maglakad sa ganyang kainit. Hindi ko kayang maglakad sa ganyang kainit. Maglalakad lang kasi kami papuntang mall kasi dala ng husband ko yung car ko eh. And hindi ko kaya i-drive yung truck niya. So, yan. Ang init na ngayon, Diyos ko. Naka-AC ba kayo ng ganitong mga panahon? Kasi hindi kami nagbubukas talaga ng AC unless na lang super init na dahil hindi pa namin na-experience yung AC na ganito kasi baka mamaya mataas to sa kuryente dahil ano siya eh, centralized AC siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng AC namin sa apartment na window type. Ito siya, oh. So, centralized AC to na ultimo cabinet namin at ultimo dun sa may CR may AC. Kamusta naman yung pati CR may AC, diba? Eh baka nga naman maging sobrang laki ng kuryente namin. So, hindi pa namin natatry na mag-AC talaga ng bonggang-bongga dito. Kaya, ay! Yung mga may AC dyan, magkano kuryente niya. Yung mga taga dito sa California din. Nakaka-tense tong summer. Pero, yan ang init. So, yan, luluto lang siguro ako and then maliligo ako para ma-freshen up tayo. Tapos, sana mamaya hindi na mainit para makabili tayo ng Father's Day gift. And, damit lang siguro bibiling ko sa kanya kasi hindi naman mapili yun. Simple lang siya. So, baka damit na lang kasi aalis din kami soon. And para may magamit siya. Yeah. Okay, so i-check na natin yung... Wait nga lang. Ano ba ito? Aray. Yung door stopper ilalagay ko lang. I-check na natin yung laundry kung tuyo na. Ang init talaga sa loob. I mean, dun sa kitchen kasi nag-pray ako. Ang init. Pero dito naman sa garage, hindi mainit. Parang mas malamig pa nga dito sa garage. Anyway. Ayan, at least bagong labay yung mga bedsheet natin. And makakatulog tayo ng masarap kapag weekend. Lagi niyong i-check yung ganito ng dryer niya kasi pwede yung mag-cause ng sunog pagka maraming lint. So, tanggalin natin siya. That's it. And then ito, iaakit na natin siya sa taas para magamit na ulit mamaya. Ayan. Nagpapatuyo na rin tayo ng labahan. Parang sa Pinas lang, di ba? Buti na lang sobrang init. Sana matuyo agad. Wait, grabe naman sa ano.
It's making my tummy tickly.
It is?
Yeah. See, Mom, some of the cars look like our car. So we can pick a name.
Oh. Ganda ng mga bahay. Ay, sayang. OMG, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view, ha?
Mom, I like the patterns in the food
It's a nice view. Kaling may tao dun. How did they even get there? Ang ganda. Oh, plants. It is?
Yeah.
The ocean. Mm.
Where's the apple?
Chloe, si Chloe, si Chloe. Unstable cliffs. Oh wow, nakakatakot. Chloe, not too close. Oh my gosh. Nakakatakot. Morning people. So nandito kami ngayon sa Sunset Cliff sa San Diego. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. Kaya nga lang parang nakakatakot. Medyo malambot yung mga cliff. Ooh, ayoko lumapit. Natatakot ako. Oo, kasing trip ko kainin ngayon. Healthy sandwich. Gusto ko ng sandwich na healthy. Tapos coffee. Ayan, mas okay yung view dun. Hindi nakakatakot. Ang galing ah. Wow, ang ganda. Yung malaking bato na yun, puro poop ng ibon. filled with poops. Ganda ng mga house. Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Tingnan niyo. Literal na beachfront. Ayan. Andito kami sa Sunset Cliff sa Ocean Beach. Pero San Diego pa rin to. Malapit lang to sa... Di malapit lang to sa Mission Bay, di ba? Mga ilang minutes.
Hey, vlog!
10 minutes.
Come on, vlog!
Hindi to yung isang Ocean Beach. Kasi di ba may isang Ocean Beach yung pinupuntahan?
Ocean Beach to.
Ah, Ocean Beach din to?
Yung lugar.
Ha? Ocean Beach to?
Yeah. Katabi lang nito nung ano pa yung
May
Terrace
pinupuntahan tayo Ocean Beach na malayo, di ba?
yun. This is it.
Ah, ito na ba yun? Ba't parang ang bilis?
Ocean Beach, hindi Ocean Beach. Ocean Beach yung ano.
Iba yung sinasabi
Yung
ko
city.
yun dun. Oh. Ah,
This
okay.
one is Ocean Beach within San Diego.
Okay. Ocean Beach to within San Diego, yung Sunset Cliff. Ang ganda kasi,
Hindi, yung Ocean
tagpin
Beach
nyo
is-
na lang yung lugar.
Yung Ocean Beach doon is San Diego din.
Oo, pero ibang Ocean Beach yun.
Oh, it's kind of like a different yung city.
Oh, wow, ang ganda nito. Tingnan nyo. Oo. Pero nakakatakot kasi gumuguho na yung mga lupa.
Ito yung like Ocean Beach parang national city, gano'n.
Oo.
Ocean Beach City.
Ang ganda sana kaso nakakatakot yung mga lupa. Parang ang lambot masyado.
I see something.
Tsaka parang, iba siya parang malambot na maputi.
I see something black.
Well,
Ganda ng mga bahay kasi parang mga tinitirhan talaga na bahay. Hindi yung mga vacation houses na super ganda. Mali pala ako nang sinabi. Yung isa palang pinuntahan namin, Oceanside. Ito pala Ocean Beach. Sa San Diego lang dito. Basta itatag ko yung location.
pareho na sa San Diego yun.
Ah, parehas pa lang nasa San Diego. Basta, itatag ko na lang yung location. Ang ganda. Super ganda ng view. Oo. Super lapit mo na talaga. Matatakotin ako sa ganito eh, kaya ayoko yung mga ganitong matabi na ng cliff. Oh, what a view. We made it sa dulo. Doon tayo galing kanina. Doon. Pag masyado sa dulo. Here na. Sa kabilang side. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan yung clip. Ganda pero nakakatakot. Hindi ko kaya umusog dun sa dulo. Oh, ganda. Oh my God, ang ganda ng view. Super ganda. Ang ganda pa ng weather today kasi hindi mainit, hindi rin malamig. Sakto na. Ooh, scary. Imagine ako kung malaglag ka dyan, ay nako. Hindi ko kaya maglakad malapit sa cliff. Kasi matatakotin talaga ako sa heights. So, I cannot. Dito lang ako sa gitna. Pero, view is 10 out of 10. Super ganda.
Hi, what's your name?
You like it here? What's your name?
My name
It's so nice here, no? You like it?
Ah,
You like it here?
Mommy took 1 million years to carve that rock.
What? May hagdanan pababa. Actually, ang daming nagkakayak. Ewan ko anong ginagawa nila. Surfing? Oh, surfing na. Sunset Cliff Natural Park. Okay. What do you think, Chloe? Ito na. Chloe? Cute. $16.99. Ang cute upuan. Ito, mga plants sana. Isang plant. Chloe, stay here. Maganda ba ito or what? Hindi ba maganda na may plant doon? Candle warmer pala to. Okay. I think ito na lang, no? Oo nga. Actually, ito rin ang ganda. So nice. Para magka-color naman dun. Wala kasing color dun.
You can get whatever. I will get what the best.
Na-adjust yung height. Ito. Yung nasa dulo kunin mo. Para hindi pa na masyado nagagalaw. Ha? Ang ganda ng mga tinda nila. Ito nga rin ganda eh. Ito na dyan.
Mommy can get.
Ah, ilaw! B, ang ganda! Cordless. Ito yung nakikita ko, tinatap lang dito, B, ah. Tinatap lang siya dito, tapos iilaw siya. Magkano? Para saan? Nice. Kaya nga lang, 16.
Corn of a unicorn.
16, pwede na. Sa garden. Ito yung basahan. Oo, baka mabasag. Are we gonna find something here? Hello. Yep.
Whee!
If you fall, Chloe, you're gonna get into an accident.
want
4th
to
of
walk.
July.
Mom, I don't want to walk.
Oh, they even have
Mom, I
costumes.
don't want to walk.
Do you want to sit here?
Yeah.
Sit here.
Can we do that
$5. It's cute.
I want to buy.
Look at this one. $5.
Find the
How much is this? This one is $13. Not bad. I didn't know that they have toys, Chloe. This one is $19. Stepping stone. Oh, they even have a pool. Swimming pool.
Oh, mommy,
Yeah,
look at those little
toys.
horses. Or
Hindi ko alam na may toys pala dito sa Hobby Lobby. Akala ko puro decorations lang.
Mom, there's even a
And
pumpkin.
more. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm gonna be obsessed here. Lots of decorations. Ooh. For Thanksgiving. This is cute. Very
That's
nice.
not.
Oh, this is cute. But it's kind of expensive.
Oh, Mickey.
Mhm.
I didn't know there's a glitter pumpkin.
Mhm.
Oh, Mama.
Mhm.
I love stuff
Wow.
like this. Touch the next stuff. That's it.
Everything is pretty.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
I think we need that for you. Should we get one?
Yes.
So you can swim?
Yeah, I want to swim.
I know. It's only $18.
But Mom, I want to swim.
Oh, and it's only $11. I think I want to get one for myself.
Then get one.
Ang cute niya, oh. $11 lang. So cute. I think I want one. Oh, there's more here. Daming design.
Yeah. Who knows?
Which one should I get?
Mom,
Or this one? This one is, I think, glass. Oh. What's this glass?
that's glass.
Yeah.
One.
Ito na lang kunin namin. Let's get this one. Okay, hold it.
But Mom, can
Yeah, we'll get the pool. It's for your bedroom. C for Chloe. Oh my god, it's so cute. How much is this? $15. Oh.
Ladybug
put
is
that outside.
direction. Look at.
They have Christmas decoration.
Oh, but.
Christmas wrapper.
Mm-hmm.
They have toys here. What is that? Oh, look, oh, they even have wardrobe for the Barbie.
Bro, there's luggage.
You can put it there. Oh.
There's a luggage.
Oh, look at this one. This is super pretty.
Whoa, that's such a small mirror.
Look at this.
Mm.
It's nice, right? Sassy Girls Club, right?
It's fun. Mama,
Fall
yeah.
decoration. Oh,
Look,
kompleto
hey,
for fall.
Google.
With the room. No?
When you do like this, I will take it there.
Oh, everything is nice, even the lamps. Oh,
It's smaller than the other
Ganda niya.
one.
Nilagyan ng susi.
Let's buy it.
Is it cute? Ganda naman. Dilim naman dito. Titipid sa kuryente. Ganda. Ay, mana pala. Ay, ba't na-haggard na yung lens ko? Ooh. Ang ganda for only $11. Kaning ganyan? Upuan. How much? Let's check. 37. Oh, mahal. But ganda.
But that's mahala, Mom.
Expensive.
Here.
How much kaya is
I
this?
want butter. I want
$7.99.
butter. What is butter?
That's cute. Super cute.
Mom, what is